Question 1. Explain briefly on the concept of compound interest and list of formulas that can be used in compound interest. Compound interest can be defined as calculating the principal amount along with the accumulated interest of previous period. It also known as interest on interest. Formula of compound interest is for future value S equal to P bracket 1 plus I to the power of n. Compound interest I equal to S minus P. Present value P equal to S brackets 1 plus I close bracket to the power of negative n. Mariam deposited Rm5,300 into a saving account that earned 12% compounded monthly. How long it will take for the investment to become Rm8,544.80? Okay, first thing first, we must search for I and N. R equal to K over M. So 12% multiplied by 12 equal to 0.01. Then for n equal to m multiplied by t. 12 multiplied by t because for t we don't have the information. We use future value formula. S equal to p bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of n. For the information, S is 8,544.80 cents and P is 5,300. So 8,544.80 cents equal to 5,300 brackets 1 plus 0.01 close bracket to the power of 12 multiply t. Move 5,300 to the left side. 8,544.80 cents over 5,300 we got 1.6122 equal to 1.01 to the power of 12 multiply t. To remove the power, we have to use log. Put log in front of the number for the both sides. It will be log 1.6122 equal to 12 multiply t log 1.01. Log 1.6122 over log 1.01 we got 48 equal to 12 multiply t. 48 over 12. The final answer of t is 4 years.
So now let's look at the question 2 part B. First of all, when you need to answer a question, you need to read the whole questions carefully and identify the keywords that you got from that question. So now let's read the question first. Umaira opened a savings account which offered an interest rate at 4%, compounded monthly with an initial deposit of 4,000 ringgit. 3 years later, she deposited another 1,000 ringgit into the same account. Determine the accumulated amount 8 years after the first saving and calculate the total interest earned. So the keywords that we got from this question are nominal interest rate, which is K equals to 4%, but we need to change it to decimal first, so it becomes 0.04. Frequency M equals to 12. Original principal, which is P, equals to 4,000. I, which is periodic interest rate, equals to K per M, so the answer is 1 per 300, and N equals to MT. The first step, we need to find the amount of 4,000 after 3 years. So the formula that we use is S equals to P, open bracket 1 plus I close bracket at the power of N, equals to 4,000 open bracket 1 plus 1 per 300 close bracket at the power of 36. So the answer is 4,509.09. The second step, you need to find the amount of investment after adding 1,000 ringgit. It calls P new. P new equals to 4,509.09 plus 1,000. So the answer is 5,509.09. The last step, we need to find the amount at the end of investment. We use the same formula, which is S equals to P, open bracket 1 plus I, close bracket at the power of N. So equals to 5509.09, open bracket 1 plus 1 per 300, close bracket the power of 60. So the answer is 6726.58. So the next question, we need to find the total interest earned. We use this formula, which is I equals to S minus P. S is the amount of at the end of investment, which is 6726.58 minus with 4,000 ringgit, which is original principal. So the answer is 2,726.58. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Akila binti Mama Azam and I will present question number 3. Explain in detail the concept of annuity and list the related formula. Annuity is a series of equal payment made at an equal interval of time. Example of annuity is short rental, insurance policy, installment payment, and etc. In each case, equal payments are deposited or periodically over time. There is two things you should know. First, the formula of present value. A equals to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative n per I. The other formula is I equals to S minus NR. The second one is for future value, which is S equals R in bracket 1 plus I to the power of n minus 1 per I. And the other one is I equals S minus NR, which S refers to the maturity value and NR is the total payment. In this chapter, we need to understand four things. In formula, we use S for future value, or we can call as total saving and accumulated amount. A is a present value, which in the question always mentioned as loan. R signifies as amount of periodic. I and N means calculated as in compound interest. Okay, now let's move to the question number 4A. Nadia purchased a car at 150,000. She needs to repayment in equal monthly payment over 9 years at 7% compounded monthly. Find the equal monthly payment and the interest charge. A equals to 150,000. I equals to K per M equals to 0.07 per 12. Negative N equals to negative 108. The formula for this question is A equals to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative N per I. So, 150,000 equals to R in bracket 1 minus 1 plus 0.07 per 12 to the power of negative 108 or 0.07 per 12. So, the answer is 1,875.94 cents. And R, which refers to total payment, is 108 in bracket 1,875.94 cents. A equals to 150,000. So the formula to find the interest charge is I equals to an R minus A, which is I equals to 108 in bracket 1,875.94 cents minus 150,000. And the answer is 52,601.52 cents.
Hi, my name is Yasmin Nazlizan and I will present question number 4. 3 years ago, Sarah deposited RM1,500 every 3 months into a savings account that earned an interest rate of 9% compounded quarterly. She spent the whole balance in the account to make a deposit for registration at a private university. Find the deposit amount that Sarah paid for her registration at a private university. So based on the question, R equals to RM1,500, K equals to 9%, which is 0.09, M equals to 4, N equals to 4 times 3 equals to 12, T equals to 3, I equals to K over M, which is 0.09 over 4, and we get 0.0225. So the formula that we are going to use is S equals to R 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1 over I. So we put all together. S equals to 1,500, 1 plus 0.0225 to the power of 12 minus 1 over 0.0225. So we get the answer is RM2 20,433 cents. Find the interest earned from her savings. So in this question, we are going to calculate interest charge. The formula that we are going to use here is I equals to S minus N times R. I equals to 20,403.32 cents minus 12 times 1,500. So the final answer is 2,403 ringgit 33 cents. Upon studying in the university, Sarah obtained a loan of Rm70,000 at an interest rate of 5% compounded monthly. She promised to repay the debt through monthly installment over a period of 10 years. Determine the monthly payment. So let's bring all the information out. So as you can see, 70,000 is the present value. So we are going to put it as A. And then that K equals to 5%, which is 0.05, M equals to 12, T equals to 10, N equals to 120, I equals to K over M, 5% over 12, which is 1 per 240. So the formula that we are going to use is A equals to R, 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative N over I. 70,000 equals to R, 1 minus 1 plus 1 over 240 to the power of negative 120 over 1 over 240. R equals to Rn 742.46 cents.